That black yo magic, 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 black yo magic. That black yo magic, that black yo. Look at that black yo.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And my name is Janisha for those who may or may not know. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your face looking right for bae on Valentine's Day, you know. We just trying to get cute, you know, that's all. Alright, right now, I'm just going to be setting my eyes with concealer and then putting some setting powder on top of it so your eyeshadow won't crease. And just a disclaimer, I am not a professional. I am not a MUA. I am not licensed. I don't know what the hell I'm doing half the time. But this is a hobby for me and it's a learning process. So I decided just to record it. Alright, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm going to go into that color burnt orange. And I'm going to use that as my transition shade today. And you're just going to put that in your crease / upper lid, you know, and just blend it out till you can't blend no more. And go in with the color Love Letter and the other pink color in the shade. And you're just going to blend that in your crease. Alright, when you doing your eyeshadow, you want to make sure you blend away. Don't matter which motion you want to use, circular or windshield wiper motions, it doesn't matter, just blend it out. And right now I'm going inside that Zulu palette using a pink shade in the middle of it. And I'm going to put that on top of the recent color I just used, and it's going to deepen the crease a little bit, make it a little darker, give it like a pop to it. Now what you want to do is just make sure you blend it out real well with one of those fluffy makeup brushes, and you want to make sure there's no harsh lines in between the two colors that you put on your lid. And then right now what I'm going to do is I'm going in with that LA Pro Girl concealer. You know, everybody know what concealer that is. And I'm attempting to cut my crease, and y'all, I messed up on this crease. Do not talk about me, do not judge me. Help a sister out and give me some tips, because this is my first time ever doing a cut crease. And it came out alright, it came out decent, but baby, it took me a long time and I was not starting over, okay? That's what I wasn't gonna do. Right here, I'm using the Mercier setting powder to set my eyelids, and it'll help like to stop creasing, and you know, for your eyeshadow to pop more, or it won't move, or it could be all three of those reasons, I don't know. And right now I'm going in with that light pink shade, and I'm putting it on top of it. And all the names of the things that I'm using are going to be in the description box because I can't remember them. And then I'm going to go inside that Zulu palette again and use that pink shade, and I'm going to put it on the outer crease, the outer corners of my eye. Alright, I am going into this eyeshadow by MAC. It's like a, I don't know the name of it at all, and I couldn't read it on the bottom of the sample thing, but it's like a pigment. It's an eyeshadow pigment that I got from MAC as a sample, and I love it, and I got it a while back. But yes, when I figure out the name, I promise I'm gonna let y'all know down below. And what I did, I sprayed my makeup brush with a little, you know, fix it spray, setting spray to get it wet, and then I dipped it in there and I smacked it on my eyelid. Y'all, let me tell you, I was getting a little discouraged, okay? Using this pigment is like, I guess it's a certain way that you need to put it on, because it started to crack and I was like, oh, what the hell? So, but you know, mama didn't raise no quitters, so I went through with it and I blended it. You have to make sure you blend this out, because if you don't, you'll see like the line, like the line of demarcation, basically, if you don't blend the two shadows together. Okay, so what I didn't show y'all was I used that red glittery shade in the Zulu palette next to the pink shade, and I put it in the middle like a halo effect and blended that out. So right now I'm going in with the Kat Von D eyeliner, and I flick that wing on there, you know what I'm saying? I have never, ever in my freaking life got my room to look like this. Never. And I'm pretty sure I won't get this one to look the same as that one. I just had to hop on this crap with this. I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and Illuminating Primer on my T-zone as well. And I'm just gonna rub that in with my fingers. And y'all, doing my face was a little discouraging as well, because the foundation I used, which is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 355, the coconut color, I mean, it was like, I felt like it matched my face, but it didn't match my neck. And my brother always get on me about my foundation not matching my neck, but my neck is darker than the rest of my body. So y'all tell me, should I match my neck or should I match my rest of my body? Because I really don't know. And I tried blending it on my neck, but girl, sis, help me out. I'm clueless at this point. And I opted out for the highlight because I don't know how to highlight and contour. But I did do a little chiseling. I used the Black Radiance contour palette, and I like the way that work in. But I did like set it. I don't know if that makes a difference if you set your under eyes or your T-zone. Do they make it pop a little bit? But I kind of like the way it came out, because normally when I, you know, set it underneath my eyes or whatever, like I come out hella ashy. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I'm using the wrong color. But yeah. And I'm also using the Real Technique sponge. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me powder to, like, I guess, set my contour, because I did use a cream contour. And I'm going to also use it to wipe away that setting powder that I have in my T-zone and underneath my cheek. I guess because it brings color back to my skin. I just wanted to try it. That was my first time ever trying doing that. And I guess it turned out alright. But I low-key was going for a dewy look, but it didn't turn out dewy at all. So any tips on how to do that, let me know in the comments. Right here I'm going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and using that color Love Letter and just put it on my lower lash line. I'm taking the Smashbox Super Fan Mascara and I'm just coating my eyelashes, y'all, because I attempted to put on some freaking eyelashes and it took me forever, sis. Forever. And I put them things on backwards too, so don't judge me. Just, like, I don't know. Let me know down below if you can tell I put them on backwards. And right now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel and just putting that on my eyebrows to make sure they don't move throughout the day. And I'm also going in with the Super Fan Mascara again and just blending into my eyelashes with the falsies. Make sure they look good. And I put them on my lower lashes as well. And right now I'm using the Physicians Formula highlight, and I put that on. I have other highlights, but I lost them, and I don't know where one of them is, so I'm just using that one for right now. It doesn't really give me like a really good glow, so I have to invest in better highlighters. I want y'all to tell me y'all favorite highlighters down below. Help a sister out. So I just put that on. Make sure you blend it out nice. Don't be looking crazy, kind of like I did at first. And then yeah, that's the last thing I'm doing. I'm about to put some lipstick on. I used the lip liner from MAC up the purple color. Don't know the name of it. And I use a brown lipstick from L'Oreal. And I just mixed them two together, blended them out really well. And then y'all, that's the final look.
Die for the dough.